Hello everybody, I'm Alexander from René, Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to do some styling with a wig called Angela from the Alexander Couture Collection. I'm going to be using Angela today in Plumberry Jam-LR. Look at that, it's gorgeous, that colour. Absolutely love that. A ponytail little trick I'm going to show you guys. So first I'm just going to go in with a black band. I'm going to come in with these bands. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach all of these hair ties together, like so. So how you do that, let me just show you. So we just put the yellow hair tie through there, and then the hair tie then goes inside itself and pull. Okay, I'll just show you again. So that one goes inside there, okay, and then pull through like this. So there's no strict order in how to do this, or just how you want to see the colours. I think I'm going to start with purple. So I'm going to put the purple one up here, and then in we go. Once, twice, three times. So you just keep weaving it from one side to the next, and then finally we'll finish here. I'm going to twist this one over again. Just pull that out a little bit more just to show you. So this, ladies and gentlemen, was my little ponytail trick on Angela in Plumberry Jam-LR. So we took a few bands, wrapped the pony in, and created this really nice, interesting, cute style on Angela. So this is Angela in Plumberry Jam-LR, and LR stands for long route. So today you've been watching me, Alexander from René, Paris. Please remember to follow us on all forms of social media. Today you've been watching my ponytail trick with Angela in Plumberry Jam-LR, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to all social media. Remember to follow my social sisters, Abby and Danny, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye now.